Welcome to the tutorial on how to connect Android phone to Tisla screen, hands-free, Bluetooth and using Android Auto. First go to Tisla screen and open Bluetooth and switch on Bluetooth. Inside Bluetooth setting, touch the gear icon to see the Bluetooth device name, password and other settings. Note down the device name and password. You can also change the name and password by touching the arrow on the right-hand side. Now open your Android phone settings by clicking the settings icon. From the settings, select the connections or one which include a Bluetooth settings. Switch on Bluetooth by switching the toggle switch on. To open the Bluetooth setting, touch Bluetooth and go to Available Devices list and find CarBT. Click CarBT and enter password as shown on the Tisla screen and enter pair. Now your phone is paired with Tisla screen. Click on gear icon to see the device settings. You can select to share the calls and audio from the phone by switching toggle switch on. Now on the Tisla screen it shows the device in paired device list. Android phone is already connected to Bluetooth, which allows user to use Android Auto on the Tisla screen. It will automatically open the Android Auto. If it's not connected automatically, user could go to apps and select link, which will ask the phone for permission to connect. User must allow the permissions on the phone to continue. Once it's done, Tisla screen will work on Android Auto. Please note that based on the mobile phone connectivity, you may need to plug in the phone to connect the Android Auto, since some devices don't support wireless Android Auto. To unpair Bluetooth, users need to open the Bluetooth settings and select the device and click on Unpair from the settings. This will unpair and disconnect from the Tisla screen. Thank you for watching.